What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have 4 different protective cases from Torras. I have been using these protective cases for my iPhone 14 series smartphones. So I thought that I should share this information with you that I have updated my iPhone 14 series protective cases to Torras protective cases. I have also added Torras Guardian Diamond Clear protective cases so that you can choose from these the one that you like and prefer. I have been using Torras UPRO Ostand series protective cases for both of my iPhone 14 Pro Max. I really like the packaging of Torras products. It clearly says simple but unique. Yeah, they mean that these protective cases are simple yet unique. Also, the packaging is pretty simple yet very attractive. We will definitely do a drop test with these protective cases, so watch through the video, and if you end up liking this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Well, here comes the protective case, and in hand this totally gives me premium feelings. Yeah, definitely these are premium protective cases. It feels premium and offers premium protection. But before I put my iPhone 14 Pro Max inside these cases, I want to talk about 2 things. Torras actually have some trademarked technology. The first one is slip-proof technology. This slip-proof laser technology helps to create a continuous, natural 3D Napa texture around the edges outside the case. This actually ensures higher slip resistance and prevents the phone from falling. Another thing I like about this Torras protective case, it's very easy to put on, and if you want to interchange the cases, if you want to take off the protective cases, it's also a very easy thing. It's truly hassle-free. Now, first let's talk about the features and then we will talk about protection. These Torras Ostand series protective cases comes with a kickstand. But where is the kickstand? Check this. Is there any kickstand? Any visible kickstand? Can you see anything? Nothing, because the kickstand is actually integrated inside the case. It's embedded without leaving a trace outside the case. Look at this. This is a fantastic design. Oh my gosh. I really like it, and now I can put my phone either in horizontal position or in vertical position. This wide reclining angle actually helps me to have the best viewing angle whenever I'm reading some news or watching a movie or doing anything on my iPhone. I can select what type of angle do I want. It's not like built-in 1 or 2 positions. I actually can select between 40 degrees to 120 degrees. That's really amazing. Most importantly, the hinge which connects the kickstand with this protective case is a very strong one. It requires some force to open it, yet it's very smooth when we are closing or opening it. And yeah, definitely this is an amazing technology because it doesn't even take 1 single millimeter extra on top of the case. I know you are worried. I was a bit worried too, thinking that with this kickstand, can we actually use a MagSafe accessory? Let's see whether it works or not. It works perfectly well. Not only the MagSafe accessories works, actually MagSafe accessories works better than many other protective cases. I have actually tried these protective cases side by side with many other MagSafe protective cases, and these Torras protective cases actually offers faster and more stable charging speed. That's really a bonus when you have a kickstand at the back of your protective case. Now there comes another question, another issue. As there is a kickstand at the back of your protective case, how good is the absorbing power or how strong are the magnets? Let me show you. When a MagSafe accessory is attached, it's not gonna get dropped because the magnetic ring is built with a hull back array, bringing a more stable and faster charging experience. Also, there are 38 N52 magnets inside this ring, which offers 5 times stronger absorption than official MagSafe cases. Now, I totally trust this magnetic stand because this one works flawlessly with any products compatible with MagSafe. And yeah, I'm not worried that I'm gonna lose the MagSafe accessory or the phone because it actually requires a bit of a force to release the MagSafe accessory from the protective case. Another thing is, As this comes with 38 magnets inside this ring, we actually can place this smartphone on any surface which is built with iron, like our refrigerator in the kitchen or some gym gears which is built with iron. In this way, it really brings more convenience to our life and makes life easier than before. Here comes another thing that I should mention. If you have watched my other protective case review videos, or if you have watched my other videos, there are times when I have complained about one thing. I was ranting about this, like why don't the protective cases come with a built-in kickstand? Because having a kickstand or a ring actually helps a lot. Because iPhone 14 Pro Max is really a bit big for my hand. I mean, my palm isn't that big, my fingers aren't that tall. So I have noticed that it was a bit difficult for me to hold this iPhone 14 Pro Max on my one hand and then use it, because I was always worried and afraid that I will drop the smartphone. But as there is a ring now, I can hold this iPhone 14 Pro Max on my one hand and use it without worrying too much about dropping this one, because I can put my finger inside this ring and this ring actually helps me to get a better grip on this phone when I'm using this smartphone using only one hand. Also, before I was like a bit worried when I go outside alone and when I do a lot of shopping, I cannot carry all those things at the same time, because I was worried if I'm holding my iPhone 14 Pro Max, I cannot carry a lot of things. But now it's a bit different. Now I can hold my iPhone 14 Pro Max, not only one but two, and carry a lot of things without worrying much about losing the smartphone. Well, I have promised a drop test and here comes the drop test. Am I worried? No, I am not worried, because my smartphone, my iPhone 14 Pro Max is protected by Torras UPRO Ostand protective case. Well, let's check. Nothing happened, not a single dent or damage, not even the protective case, because this is a premium protective case which offers premium protection. These protective cases comes with X-Shock 3.0 airbags in every corner all around, along with upgraded 360-degree surrounding airbags across the bumper's interior. Not only that, this one comes with anti-explosion backplates and camera lens airbags. Yeah, inside this camera lens cover or protective edges, there are camera lens airbags. The kickstand is actually made with 7 series aluminum alloy material, which belongs to super hard aluminum alloy with good wear resistance. And as far as I know, this one is usable up to or more than 5,000 times, which means almost 10 times a day for 500 days. We actually don't need that much, do we? That's really an overkill. For this, Taurus deserves a thumbs up. Also, if I have forgotten to mention, and if you haven't noticed yet, you can understand these protective cases actually offers military grade protection and also adds convenience to life, and that's why I've been using these Ostand protective cases without any hesitation. I have left all the links of these protective cases in the description box below, but that's not the end of this video. There are 2 other protective cases that I want to talk about. If you don't need the kickstands, then these protective cases would be the best choice for you. Well, here comes Torras Guardian series protective cases. These not only offers the same protection, these also offers the same convenience. Just these protective cases don't come with that kickstand. These protective cases offers 6 times military grade drop protection, Torras patented camera airbag technology, X-Shock 3.0, 360-degree airbags, everything is there. Also, the magnetic ring offers faster charging speed through MagSafe wireless charger. And yeah, there is something more. We can even change the buttons. Look at these. This protective case comes with a black button, but if we want, we can choose the color that we like. I'm gonna choose yellow because I think yellow and purple actually creates a very good contrast. It really looks awesome. Well, you can see here it looks so gorgeous, so damn beautiful. I really like it. Well, like that UPRO Ostand protective case, this protective case is also easy to put on and easy to put off. In hand, this one also definitely feels premium. As I have mentioned earlier, the protective ring around the rear camera block actually comes with airbags inside, so this one offers much more protection than any other typical MagSafe protective cases. It not only feels good, it actually offers convenience and more protection. As usual, I know you want me to do another drop test. Should I do another drop test? Haven't I already done one? Should I? You want me to do this, right? This time, am I worried? Oh, let's check, okay? Here it is. There is no dent, no damage, nothing, not even the protective case. I mean, there is not even a single dent on the protective case. I really like this matte finish. This looks much more premium than this clear design. But I know there are a lot of people who likes this diamond clear design. So that's why I am testing this one, and if you prefer a transparent case which offers a very good value for money, then you should go for these protective cases. But if you want a protective case with a kickstand which offers much more convenience, then yeah, here comes the UPRO Ostand protective case from Torras. Well, as I have mentioned earlier, I have left all the links in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check those links. I really love these protective cases. That's why I have been using these protective cases. I mean, I have a lot of choices. I have a lot of different protective cases available in this studio, but I'm using these protective cases because these offers better value for money, more convenience, and most importantly, the best protection. Well, it's time to say period. That's the end of this video. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.